In true Hawaii fashion, aloha guys! Welcome back to my channel, Travel with Jen. Today's adventure? Right there, Hawaii. It's been a hot minute since I've been here. Life kind of happened and I got engaged. We're planning a wedding now, we're traveling a lot, so yeah, hi, welcome back. For those of you who have been around, thank you so much for sticking around. For those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. What's up, what up, what up? My name's Jenny. I sometimes post some pretty rad content of my travels, so like, subscribe, like right there. Go ahead, click it. A lot of travel content coming your way. I know I've been gone, but trust me, you do not want to miss everything that's coming. We got Washington, Arizona, Colorado, you name it, it's coming. Norway, did I mention Norway? Subscribe, subscribe, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Who knew that recording in your own house by yourself, like, is intimidating? There's literally no one in my house right now, and I'm so nervous. This is weird. This is weird. Cheers. The reason why you guys are out here, let's talk about Hawaii, specifically Kauai. Because I'm about to tell you the 10 best things to do in Kauai. You're definitely going to want to write this down. Coming in at a hot number 1 is Captain Andy's boat tour. Guys, you have to do this. Captain Andy's boat tour takes you along the Nepali coastline, which you can only access by either boat or helicopter. The tour that we did was probably like 6 hours long in total. It takes you all along the Nepali coast, and we also got to snorkel. Awesome views all along the way, and dolphins. Number 2, Waialua Falls. You're going to want to wear bug spray. Trust me. Trust me. 3 words, wear bug spray. Because, trust me, you will thank me. Never have I ever had more than 48 mosquito bites. It's like, besides the million mosquito bites that I got on this hike, make sure that you guys are wearing good shoes because going down is not easy. And going back up, as you can tell here, is not easy. Take your time, use the rope that's on the trail. It will help you a ton, both going down and up, and have fun. It's a good one. The water might have been freezing, but it was so worth it. Okay, by the way, clickety-click right here, subscribe. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Don't forget, clickety-click, clickety-click, clickety-click right here. Alright, cool. Number 3 is the Kalalau Trail at the Nepali Coast Park. Kalalau. I think it's Kalalau. Kalalau Trail. The trail in full is about 11 or 12 miles round trip, give or take. You do need a permit, make sure you plan accordingly. I reserved our pass about a month in advance, just to give you an idea. But the trail is stunning. There's so many great coastal views, as you can see. It truly is one of a kind. Come prepared. Don't forget to enjoy the views, and don't do leg day the day before. Just a tip. When you're done with the hike, there's a super dope beach that the shuttle will actually drop you off to. It's called Tunnels Beach. Pro tip, definitely wear water shoes and bring some snorkeling gear to this beach. This is one of the coolest beaches I have ever been to, and the views are seriously stunning. Like, wow, just look at that. You got Hanalei Bay. This is really what the color of the water looks like, and people jump off the pier. It's pretty cool. This one had to make the list. You can do it from anywhere, but watch the sunrise. The sunrises and sunsets in Hawaii are truly some of the best I have ever seen, and there were no regrets waking up at 5 a.m. every day just to watch the sunrise. My second favorite thing we did in Kauai was Queen's Bath. Pretty sure I jumped off way too many times. There is a bit of a small hike that you have to do in order to get there. It's very slippery and very rocky, so do bring really good shoes. And just be cautious because a lot of people have fallen on that path. In total, it probably takes about 15-20 minutes to get to the bottom. Truly my second favorite thing we did there. I absolutely loved it and want to go back. Next up, JoJos Shaved Ice. Only 3 in the world, all of which are in Kauai, and it is so good. Best I've ever had, for real. Next up, Tiki Innki. The drinks were so good, and during their happy hour, ooh, you just gotta go. One of the places that my fiance and I really enjoyed going to throughout our trip was going to Shipwreck Beach. It's pretty much surfer paradise. Definitely not a beach you want to swim in unless you're pretty comfortable with the water and say 4 or 5 foot waves, if not higher. If you're a really good swimmer, by all means, go for it. It's so cool watching people surf. You know, you always see it on the TV, or at least I always watch people on TV or videos because I think surfing is super dope and super cool. Totally up my alley. I love watching surfers. So cool, so cool. Thanks so much for sticking around and watching my video. I truly appreciate it. I hope you're on your phone or on your laptop or on your iPad, whatever it is, booking a trip to Kauai right now. Because like, did you see all that? Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Trust me, there's so many cool things coming your way. And if you're going to Kauai, let me know. If you have questions or you have anything at all that you want to know, ask me in the comments. I'm always looking at them. If you've been to Kauai, what's your favorite thing that you've done there? What did I miss? I do know that Kauai has a state park that's almost like a Grand Canyon. It's like the Hawaii Grand Canyon. And we unfortunately didn't get to check it out because out of the 6 days that we were there, literally all our days were so booked. We had so many things to do that we just unfortunately didn't get to make it out there. You know what that means? That just means we gotta go again. There's just so much to do there. Like, how do you narrow that down? And with that, guys, I'll talk to you soon. More Travel with Jen content coming your way. And hey, P.S. Did you subscribe? Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, cool.